So today we'll do polygons, Pranshi. So
Okay.
do you know what is a polygon?
Doesn't it have like 8 sides or something? Or is that a 6 sides? I don't know.
What is polygon? Sorry,
Is it in a shape?
it is a shape. Yes, it is a shape.
Does it have
Mm-hmm.
6 sides?
It is a shape. What else? It's a
I know it has
polygon.
like
It's a
six
polygon.
matching
Two things.
sections.
Okay. One is it's made up of straight lines. Okay,
Ah,
made up of straight lines.
write that down.
Yeah, it's made up of straight lines. Number two, it's a closed figure. It's a closed figure. So just like a triangle, triangle is a polygon because a closed figure and made up of straight line. A square, pentagon, right?
Mm-hmm.
With all those shapes which are made up of straight lines. You can also take a hexagon made up of 6 lines. It should be closed. If it is not closed, then it's not a polygon. Now, question to you: what about circle? It's a closed figure. Is it a polygon?
It doesn't have straight lines though.
Very good. It's not. Just like cylinder, no, because it also has a curved surface. It's the same like sphere. Then you have a cone, right?
Mm-hmm.
All of them, they are not polygons because of no straight lines. Yeah, means straight
Yeah.
line, but also they have a curved figures, so they fail the test. So polygon means any closed figure made up of straight lines. Yeah.
Okay.
Now, if I take this is very important that we should write this. I'll also share the sheet with you later. Yeah,
Okay.
let me take it up. Yeah, this one. Yes. So what it is? So sum of all the interior angles of any polygon is n minus 2 into 180. So for example, triangle. Also, what is the sum of all the angles of a triangle?
3. Oh wait, no.
Sum of all the
Wait,
angles of a triangle,
triangle has 3.
180. So how did you get 180? Just put the n equal to 3 because the formula says n minus 2 into 180, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when I put here 3, because this has 3 sides, 3 minus 2 is 1, and that's how you got 180, right? Now let's take a
Oh.
quadrilateral. N minus 2 into 180. So n, we put it 4 because quadrilateral has 4 sides, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 4 minus 2 into 180, you get 2 into 180, and that's how you got 360. This formula is very helpful. Pentagon, again the same formula, n minus 2 into 180, right?
Yeah.
N is 5. So 5 minus 2 into 180. So 3 into 180 basically, and that's 540. So this formula is very helpful. Prash, you should know. Sum of the interior angles of any polygon. Let's use the formula n minus 2 times 180, where n is number of sides. When
Okay.
n is number of sides. Each interior angle of a regular polygon. So that you just, what are the sum you get, right? Just divide by n. For example, what is the each angle of a pentagon if it is a regular pentagon? What do you mean by regular? A regular polygon is that polygon which has all the sides and angles same. You can write it down. A regular means all sides and angles are same. Angles are
Okay.
same, right? So regular
Mhm.
polygon means all sides and angles are same. So if you want to find what will be each angle be equal to, simple, divide that with number of sides. So for pentagon, it will be 540 divided by 5. For quadrilateral, it will be 360 divided by 4. And that's how you get 90. Same for the triangle, 180 divided by 3, get a 60, right? So each angle will be equal to 60 if it is a regular triangle. Yeah, and same here, it will be 108. Correct, no? Or for a pentagon. So what we are doing, first find out the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon by using the formula n minus 2 times 180. And I just shown you, right, how did we calculate, how we have to put in the values of n, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Once you get the sum of all the angles of the polygon, divide with the number of sides. And sum of the exterior angle, this is, you know, always be 360. Whether it is a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, any types of polygon for that matter, Pranshi, sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon will be 360. This is actually a magic figure. So whether it's a pentagon or hexagon, no matter how many sides a polygon has, the sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon will be equal to 360, right? And how much will be one angle be equal to in a regular polygon? Just same way how you did, how you divide it for the interior angles, it just divided by n, right? Here also you can just divide by n. Make sense?
Okay.
And these are
Yep.
the names of the polygons that you should know. The three-sided one is known as triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. I think triangle and quadrilateral are very common ones we already would have done in, right, previous in lower grades. But now we will also cover up the questions related to the sides greater than 5, greater than 4. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
are we good with this?
Yeah,
Okay, super.
I'll just write it down.
Yeah, yeah. Anyhow, I'll share the sheet with you. You can do it later.
Okay.
Now, same thing. I'll take some basic questions. Try to answer it. We'll discuss otherwise. I think I made it a little bigger. A little more bigger, or yeah. So the first question is, what is a
What is?
polygon, right? I think I should have remove it a little this side. Mm, this is fine. Yeah. So what is a polygon? We just discussed, right? So polygon is a closed figure made up of straight lines, isn't it?
Yep.
And name the polygon having 6 sides. What is that? Hexagon.
Um, a hexagon.
8 side is octagon. 10 side is decagon. State whether the following regular or irregular polygons. Regular means where all the sides and angles are same. That's what we have learned, right? And irregular means where the sides and angles are not same, right?
Okay.
How many sides does a polygon have if the sum of all the interior angles 900? Oh, this is a good question. So we know, right, that sum of all the angles is n minus 2 into 180, right?
Mm-hmm.
This they have given it as 900. That sum of all the angles is 900. How many sides do we have? Just solve it. So n minus 2 times 180 is given as 900 here. Pranshi, do you understand?
Yeah.
Because sum of interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 times 180, and that they have given us 900. They haven't given us what the number of sides this polygon has. We can calculate. Take 180 to the other side. So n minus 2, 180 is getting multiplied, it will get divided here. Yeah. So n minus 2 equal to 5, because 18 times 5 is 90, right? Now take
Yep.
2 to the other side. So n will go that side. Sorry, minus 2 will go that side, become plus, which is 7. So 7. So that is septagon. For septagon, sum of all the interior angles will be 900. Yeah.
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
you have to find the sum of interior angles of a pentagon. I shown you already. I'll show you a hexagon. Simple. As you already know the formula, n minus 2 times 180. Just put n equal to 6 here. So 6 minus 2 times 180. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 times 180. And thus we get 720. Right? The
Yeah.
same we have to do it for octagon and the any other pentagon. Makes sense, right?
Mm-hmm.
No doubts?
Nope.
Okay. What is a regular polygon means, Franshi?
So a regular polygon
Mm-hmm.
has
Yeah.
like same sides.
Same sides and same angles. Very good. Now you have to find the unknown angle. To find each interior angle of a regular hexagon. Regular means all the sides angle same as you said just said. So regular
Mm-hmm.
hexagon end will be 6, right?
Yeah.
What will be the sum of all the angles of a hexagon? N minus 2
So
times
then
180?
80.
Yeah.
So then 6
6
minus,
minus 2. Very good. I think we just did it. 720.
yeah.
720. Now just divide that with 6. So what will you get? 12 times 6, right?
Mm-hmm.
So 120. 120 will be the angle of each. Find in each interior angle of a regular octagon. So first of all, find out the sum, no?
So isn't that 8?
Yeah, it's 8. 8 is the number of sides. So 8 minus 2 times 180. So basically 6 times 180, right?
Uh-huh.
So 8 times 6 is 48. 4, 1 times 6, 4 times 108. So basically 1080 is the sum of all the angles of a regular octagon, right?
Yep.
Now just divide that with 8, no? So what will you get? 1 times 8, 28, and then you get a 3 times 8, which is 24, 40, 135. So 135 will be the each interior angle be equal to, right now?
Yep.
All is well?
It's a long division. Yeah.
Yeah. And here we got 120 as the angle. Same here. If each interior angle of a regular polygon is 120, find the number of sides. So basically they would have given you a question like this. Let me take it to little up. Yeah, so that side has some space to do. So they are, what they have given you each interior angle. So our formula for each interior angle is this, right? N minus 2 into 180 divided by n, which is given as 120, right?
Mm-hmm.
Take n to this side. So this will become n minus 2 times
Wait, why don't we
180.
just take 180 to the other side?
Because we have n also, no branch. Let's take that one to that side.
Okay.
And now you can open up the bracket. So if you open up the bracket, what do you get? N times 180 is 180n, and 180 times minus 2 is minus 360, right?
Mm-hmm.
Agree, no?
Yep.
They take 120 to this side, take minus 360 to that side. So you get 180n minus 120n equal
So
to
60.
360. And this becomes 60n, right?
Yep.
And
Wait,
you
how
take,
is 80 and um 120 360?
no, I took minus 360 to the other side, no? That's how it become equal to 360.
Oh, 360. Oh, okay.
Now take 60 to the other side and divide it. So when you divide that with 60, get 6. So it's a 6 sides. Yeah. If
Mm-hmm.
any regular polygon has each angle be 120, then the number of sides will be 6. Make sense?
Okay.
Now they're saying each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 45. What is the sum of all the exterior angles be equal to? Yeah. Sum of all the exterior angles 360, right?
Exterior.
Sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360. Is that right?
Okay. Yes.
Correct, right?
Yes.
Now 360 is the sum, and they're saying each angle is 4. So just divide that with n, and this is equal to 45, right? That's what they are told.
360.
Each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 45. Find the number of sides. So you take n to this side, bring 45 to this side. So n equal to
So
360 upon 45, right?
Yeah.
Now we can do some cancellation. So 9 times 5
You divided by
and 7 times 5 is 35, 72, right? Yeah.
36.
1
Yeah.
times 9, 8 times 9, and equal to 8. Makes sense, right?
Yeah.
And next question is almost the same. They're saying each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 30. Okay, we have to find out the sides.
Should I be like writing this down?
Are you writing it down? Okay, okay, wait.
Oh no, should I be writing it down or should I do that later?
Good if you write it down. Yeah,
Wait, let's just like get done with the last question and then I'll write this down.
yeah, I leave it to you. This is what
Okay.
we have written so far. So, any doubts, ask me.
Okay.
All good with the concept, right?
So far, yeah, I'm kind of getting it.
Simple. Polygon is any closed figure made up of straight lines, and regular polygon means whose all the angles and the sides are same, right? And we also worked on, you know, to find out the missing angles. Just how we are doing it. And also we know that three the polygon which has three sides is a triangle, four is quadrilateral, then pentagon, all that stuff, right? And we know the formula, right? Sum of all the angles of a polygon is n minus 2 times 180, which is very important, right? When n is a number of sides. And also what we have studied is that sum of all the exterior angles of any polygon, regular polygon, is 360, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah. And on the basis of that things, we are doing some questions. Yeah, there are two more types of polygons. One is convex and concave polygon. Okay, I'll there I'll teach you that as well. Yeah, if you're done with the notes,
Yep.
I can move next. Done?
Yeah.
Okay. So convex and concave polygon, right? You can write it down. Convex and concave. So uh, concave, right? So convex means all the angles less than 180. All angles less than 180, right?
Mm-hmm.
Here, any one angle greater than 180. One angle greater than 180. That's concave. I'll show you. So let me take like this. Then you have this. Then you have okay. Then you have this. Then you have this. This is also made up of straight lines, right?
Yeah.
But but this angle is greater than 180. This is a reflex angle, right? So this
Mm.
makes it concave. This is a concave polygon. And convex to all square, rectangle, rhombus, which has
Yeah.
angles less than 180. Yeah,
I'm just writing that down now.
yeah. So convex means all angles less than 180. Concave, one angle greater than 180. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, that's concave. You can draw the shapes as well. Then we'll do the question which we were doing.
Okay, done.
All good, right? Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay, okay. Let's do the question which we were doing. That was each exterior angle of a polygon is 30. Find the interior angle, right? So what they have told is each is 30-degree exterior angle. So means n is nothing but 360 divided by 30, right? So
Mm-hmm.
from there you get the number of sides. So that is 12. N is how much? 12. 12-sided figure, isn't it? Because sum of
Yes.
all the exterior angles of any polygon is 360, isn't it, Pranshi? And they
Yes.
have and they are saying that each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 30. We can divide 360 with 30 to know the sides. Now n is 12. Now we can find out this each angle be equal to. Each angle will be equal to n minus 2 times 180 divided by n, right?
Mm-hmm.
So n is 12. So 12 minus 2 times 180 divided by 12. And 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 times 180 divided by 12. And I think 12 and 180 will go with 15. 1 12, 12, 15 times 12 is 180. And 15 times 10 is 150. So 150 is the each interior angle. Make sense?
Okay.
Yeah, this is your this question solution. First of all, we find the number of sides by dividing the 360 with 30 because 360 is the sum of all the exterior angle of a polygon. After dividing 360 with the 30, we get the number of sides as 12, right? And then we
Mm-hmm.
substitute in the formula of each interior angle formula. That is n minus 2 times 180 divided by n. So when we substitute 12 over there, after proper cancelling, we got answer as 150. Make sense?
Yeah. What did you write underneath n equals 12?
Yeah, each.
Oh, okay.
So each angle will be equal to each interior. Yeah,
Yeah, I'm just writing it down.
yeah. All good?
Yeah, almost done.
Okay. No doubt so far?
Not yet. I mean, I'm kind of getting it.
Okay, super. Yeah. I'm moving it now, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So now we have some algebra based questions. The interior angles of a polygon are x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. Find x and all the angles, right?
Mm-hmm.
So basically, what have they given to us? They have given us pentagon, which is n equal to 5, right?
N equals 5. Yes.
So pentagon n equal to 5 and the interior angles. So can we find the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon? That is n minus 2 times 180, right?
Minus 2
So that is 5 minus 2 into 180. 3 times 180 is 540, right? So if you
times.
add all of them, shouldn't be equal to 540. So x plus 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 5x equal to 540. Agree?
Yes.
Because sum of all the interior angles of a regular pentagon is 540, isn't it?
So it's not like they don't actually equal to 540, but it's just like it's
No,
just like
no, sum of all the angles of a pentagon is 540. Okay, by using the formula n minus 2 times 180. Yeah.
okay.
Now I'm adding the each angle what they have given us. x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. They all add up to 540. So x, 3, 3, 6, 4, 10, 15x. So 15x equal to 540, right?
Mhm.
Now take 15 to the other side and it'll get divided. So that will be 15 times, you can do with step by step. So 3 times 5, 1 times 5, 108 times. Now again you can divide with 3. So 1 times 3, 3 times 3 is 9, 18, 6 times 3 is 18, 36. Each x equal to 36, right? Now you can find all of them. She just multiplies x is equal to 36. 2x will be equal to 2 times 36.
Three
3x will
times.
be 3 times 36, right?
Three times. Yep.
So 6 times 3 is 18, 108. 4x, 4 times 36. So 4 times 30 is 120 and 6 times 24 is 144. You can do mentally, okay? And 5x equal
Mhm.
to 5 times 36. Basically, you can add 36 to this. So 144 plus 36, 144 plus 6, 150, and 150 is 180. This is how you can find all of them. Yeah,
Yep.
you can write it down. Again, I'm explaining. First of all, what it was given was a pentagon which has 5 sides. So we find out the sum of all the interior angles of a polygon of this pentagon. That was 540, right? Now they
Mhm.
have given us the angles as x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. We added all of them and equate that equal to 540, right? And
Mhm.
then x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x add up to 15x. 15x equal to 540. And we divided, right, with 15 to find out the x. And we got x is 36. Once we got the value of x, we just substitute in each
Wait,
of the
does that say
angles.
sum equals to n minus 2 times 180? Is that what it says? Okay.
Yeah, all good, no?
Yeah.
Rest 12, 13 and the remaining questions. Now we will do it in the next meeting, Ranshi. Okay.
Okay.